and then make your graph. So as you can see here, I have my data and then my cohort partners data. I will share a blank template of this Google Sheets for you guys, so you just have to put your data in there. And we also have our seconds to the side here. So in order to get Google Sheets to average these two numbers, so average 0.58 and 0.058 and 0.050, for us, we are just going to double click in there. So we're typing, hit type equals, and then the word average, and parenthesis. And then you can see that it's going to give you information about how to fill it out. What I do is I just click and drag and highlight the two cells I want to average, close that parenthesis, and then hit enter. So there you have your average of those two numbers. Now to get it to do it for these, or for all of these cells, you're going to click on this box, click on this little blue square here until you get the crosshairs, grab it and drag it down. So then that will fill all of these cells with the correct averaging of the values. So you're going to go ahead and do that with your S2 and E2. So equals average, parenthesis, drag and highlight, enter, and then drag it all the way down. And then one more time for our S3. So in science, it's important to have more than one set of data and then typically average those. Because if you look over here, me and my partner, we have different numbers. They're still showing the same trend, but they are 0.2 away from each other, which is a decent amount, right? So we want to average it, and we are going to graph those averages, which is why I have them highlighted here. Now, to make a graph, there are two different options you can do. The first option is you're going to go down here, add a new sheet, and go back to sheet 1, and then copy and paste all of the information that you are going to graph. So you need your seconds, your S1, E1 average. That didn't work. Why didn't it work? You're gonna want to right click, paste special, and then paste values only, so you get the values there, right? Then copy, paste special, paste values, and copy, paste special, paste values. So now you have all your data. Then all you have to do is simply highlight it all, click. So you just click in this top box with seconds, click and drag, highlight it all. Then you go insert chart, and it'll make your chart for you. Your other option is going back to sheet 1, so you don't have to make a new sheet. And you're just going to hold control. So you're going to first select seconds. Then you're going to hold the control key on your keyboard while you are selecting your averages. So that ensures that you keep what you've already selected. So then you have your 3 columns of averages and your seconds selected. Then you are going to go insert chart, and it will give you the same chart. Now you're going to want to go through here, and if you go to customize, you are going to need to change the chart title to an appropriate title, and make sure that axes titles have units and correct titles on them as well. You can also, so you can mess around with here. You can go through, change different colors if you'd like, and you can just kind of make your, you can change the name of the series. So your series names are going to be the names that are on the top of your columns there. So you can go around and mess around with it to make the graph how you would like it. If you have any questions about this, just let me know. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Again, like I said in class, this is how most of your graphs are going to be made once you get to the college level.